Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify CD ladder options with Ally Bank. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify CD ladder options with Ally Bank, start by visiting the Ally Bank website. Look for the Investing or CDs section on the homepage. Click on the Certificates of Deposit link to navigate to the CD offerings. Review the types of CDs available, including standard CDs and no penalty CDs. Locate the CD ladder option within the Resources or Tools section. Read the explanation of what a CD ladder is and its benefits for saving. Find the current interest rates for various CD terms, typically ranging from 3 months to 5 years. Select the CD terms that best align with your financial goals. Use the CD ladder calculator if available to visualize your potential growth. Input your initial investment amount and choose a strategy for laddering. Review the results that show staggered maturity dates and interest earnings. If satisfied with your choices, proceed to the account creation process. Log into your Ally Bank account or create a new account if necessary. Follow the prompts to set up your CD accounts based on your ladder plan. Confirm the details of your investments before finalizing the process. Once completed, monitor your CD ladder's performance through your Ally Bank dashboard. Keep track of your maturity dates to reinvest or withdraw funds as desired. Stay informed about changes in interest rates, which could affect your strategy moving forward. By following these steps, you can effectively verify and establish a CD ladder with Ally Bank for your savings strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.